So we will do one more AutoCAD exercise, so which is, you can see this one. Okay, let's start it. Go to AutoCAD, click on start drawing. Okay, now 150 40, right? Select a rectangle, enter 150, tab 40, enter, right? You can see, so this portion is right here, and from here to here 200 is there. So what I have to do, select a line command, line, enter. So 200, F8 to enable ortho mode, 200, enter. This length I don't know, so but I can calculate it. 250 minus 150, 260 minus 150, which is nothing but 110, right? So 110, enter. So 40, enter. Again 150, enter, which is like this, right? So trim, that's it. Now take line command and select this point and this point. That's it, right? So first one completed. Now we will make the top one. XL, enter. So same here also, take one line like this, trim, which has a thickness 120. Total thickness, which is not given now. So okay, how can we do it? $80, 160, 200 it is. So okay, so offset, enter, 200, not 20, offset, enter, 200, enter, right? So now trim, right? Select a line command, make a two lines like this, trim, right? This is fine. And let's take one line from this midpoint to this midpoint, select offset, okay, which is 40, that means 20, enter, right? Let's erase the midline, okay. Now I want to make these two as construction lines. Line type I can choose, okay, line type, enter. So here you have to load one more line, that is center. Okay, now select these two, right click, properties, line type, center, that's it. Close the property manager. Now two circles are needed, so C, enter. So what is the diameter? 48, D, enter, 48, enter. Select, this, so copy enter, specify base point as this and turn off F8 and move it like this. Now select this, move, turn on F8, specify point like this and move it up to 48, enter, and 120. So from the center point to which is 120, right? So that means 40 from this to this, which is 40, right? So select this, select the circle, move, enter, specify center point and make a center point like this. Now move, enter, 40, enter. Okay, now delete it, select mirror command and choose this object, enter, and choose a midpoint and midpoint. No, that's it. Now we will do the side view. X line, enter, okay, select line command, enter, write this, trim, enter, okay. Now what is the offset, which is 200, right? So offset, enter, 200, enter, so trim, okay. Let's take one line from here to here on offset, enter, 20, enter. After that remove this midline, that's it. And what is the thickness, right? So line, enter, so trim, right? Now take one more line option again from here to here, trim, Control Z. So you need to erase this and you need to trim this, right? So but we have to make it into construction. So we have already made this construction, right? So select MA, match properties, select this source and select this, that's it, right? And we have to show these circles. So for that select line command, okay, trim, erase, so trim, and MA match properties, enter, match properties, enter, source and the destination objects are already selecting, right? Okay, select these two, right click, properties, and center line is already there. So scale you can change it to 2, sorry, so 0.5, enter. Now it is okay, it will appear as center lines. Now dimensions, so DLI, enter, dimension linear, from this point to this point. See, it is again displaying small dimensions. What you have to do, DIM, dimension style, enter. So modify, so text, and change this to 20 and arrow sizes also you need to change it to 20. Enter. Okay, set current, close. Now this is fine. Erase it. Let's add a one more layer with the dimensions, right? So now I want all the dimensions in sky blue color, right? Just take this, move, enter. This also I want to move it a little. Now fine, dimension linear, enter. Okay, erase, change the layer properties. So dimension linear, enter. 150. So we will give all the linear dimensions at a time, so it will be easy. Nothing are there. Okay, DDI, enter. So that's it. So DLI, enter. From this center to this center there is 120. This center point to this edge, which is 40. So this is how you can do the things in AutoCAD. So if you find anything helpful in this video, please do subscribe to my channel.